I get a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, a venti.
Yeah, venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
I will have a link down below. The only place I've been able to find where to buy them is on Corin's website itself. A very calming mask, even skin tone and texture. They said this is a very...
Hi guys and good morning. So welcome to a week in my life. I have never done a day in my life, week in my life with you guys since I have been in college, and I really don't know why. Now that I am almost gonna be a junior, it's kind of weird that I've never done this before. So today is Sunday, and so I'm going to prep some food for the week, go to the grocery store, just get my life together today. And then I'll take you guys through my class schedule and stuff. So right now I'm gonna get ready and I have a couple errands to run. So let's get started. Got my coffee and let's get our day going. Makeup is done, and now I'm finally getting around to finishing up my list of stuff and heading out to go to the grocery store. So I think I'm gonna stop at Sprouts and probably Walmart to pick up all this stuff, and we're gonna come home and prep some food for this week. So let's do it. So I'm trying to find the best place to vlog in my kitchen, and I have very odd lighting all around everywhere, but let's see. So first let's start out with what I got at Sprouts. I didn't get that much, but I just got some random stuff. First I got shiitake mushroom for the shiitake mushrooms breakfast I'm gonna make. I got some a broccoli crunch salad. I normally have that with lunch with another salad. For my lunch today I got a spinach and ciabatta sandwich, probably have half of that, with a kale salad. If you guys watch Danielle Carolyn on YouTube or Instagram, she always takes ginger shots, and so I had to try one because I saw them, so I'm gonna try one. Then I found these fun crepes to go. I thought that looked so good, and it's got Nutella inside of them, so I thought that'd be good for a little snack. And then just some sourdough bread. Now for all the stuff I got at Walmart. So to start with, I got kale for all my salads because I love kale salads the most. We needed more vegetable oil. I also got olive oil to make some homemade vinaigrettes today. Got some bacon. I always think I have to have cookies in the fridge, so I got Valentine's cookies. This culture and I always make them. Got lemons for the vinaigrette today. Got some feta cheese for my salads. I'm obsessed with these Seeds of Change little rice packs. I've been making those. I made that last night with tilapia, and it was really, really good. Got some pesto. And then just some canned corn. Dijon mustard. I'm gonna make a vinaigrette with that. And then just some fries because we're gonna have chicken sandwiches tonight. So right now, let's make some lunch for today. So this is my beautiful lunch today. It's literally just lemon juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper, and some feta cheese crumbles and some croutons, and then this sandwich that I got at Sprouts. vinaigrette. This week I'm going to do something I actually found on TikTok. So first I'm going to squeeze the rest of this lemon and then squeeze the other half of the lemon. All right, so next I'm gonna add a nice amount of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add a nice squeeze of Dijon mustard and then some crushed red pepper. Okay, so I like to keep all of my lunch stuff at least upstairs, so I'm gonna see if I can fit it all in my mini fridge. Let's do it. Okay, so finally sitting down for a moment. So a couple things that I did not show you. I did make tilapia and rice last night and corn for dinner, so I do have another one of those for my lunches this week. And then I have some leftover mac and cheese that I'm gonna eat as well at some point. So that is all of my lunches for this week. Alright guys, so now I'm actually getting ready to head to chapter for my sorority. So I'm just really brushing my hair. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for dinner. I do not know if I'm going to be eating dinner on my own or if I'm going over to Coulter's for dinner. So we're gonna pack a bag for whatever. Alright guys, good morning. Hello, it is Monday morning, and disclaimer, I do not make fancy breakfast like this every morning, but on my slower mornings, on Mondays and Wednesdays, I don't have class till 11:30, so I do have time to wake up and make a nice breakfast for myself. So this, what you guys have already seen, is pesto, eggs, bacon, and I always find a reason to put a little kale, and so I just chopped up some kale finally and put it on here. So this is really good. I'm gonna have it with my coffee. I have about an hour until I have to go to class. It's a nice chill day today. I've got calculus, and then I have a meeting with one of my sorority sisters about an event we have coming up, and then I have a microbiology lab, and then we're going to go to Coulter's because his roommate is cooking for us tonight. So fun day. Alright guys, so I cleaned up everything from breakfast. It was absolutely delicious. So right now I'm going to make my lunch for class and then pack my bag and we're gonna head out. Okay, so as I talked about yesterday, I bought a ginger shot, and so I am going to try it today. It's got ginger, lemon, and cayenne. Like I said, if you watch Danielle Carolyn, you know the drill. She does these every day on camera, and I don't know if this will make it in the vlog because of... We'll just see. We'll see how this goes. So here we go. Let me see what it smells like. It smells good. So let's do it. It's not, ooh, whoo. It's the back end of it.
Sorry, the lighting's weird. My lab actually got moved today online, so I am sitting in the science building and doing some work. Alright guys, so like I said in my last clip, my lab actually got moved to online, so I did not have to go to lab today. So I had my meeting and then I actually sat on campus, finished my calculus homework for today, got a couple of emails done, had a good meeting, so that was all good. So now I am home, probably just gonna hang out for a little bit. Good morning guys. So normally I am super on top of it and I'm a morning person, but this morning I totally slept through my alarm. I did get up at 7:30 to make it to my 8 a.m. so we're getting there, but not a glamorous morning routine this morning, but the coffee had to happen. It is a beautiful morning, just, you know, running a little behind. That's okay though. So we'll get started with our day after micro. Hi guys, I am filming on my phone as I'm leaving class today. It is about 12:17. I am headed to go pick up something at Kroger and then I'm gonna go home, make some lunch. Alright guys, let's have a little real talk moment on the vlog today. So as you can tell, this has been a more realistic day in my life because every day is not rainbows and sunshine and beautiful breakfast and nice chill mornings. This morning I overslept to begin with, barely made it to my 8 a.m. I had this like cute outfit picked out, was gonna film like really cute breakfast for you guys. Obviously that didn't happen. In my sweatshirt and the hair slicked up, that didn't happen. My room is an absolute mess. And class just honestly stressed me out today. So and I'm also beating myself up because I didn't feel like I got as much done today on my break as I wanted to, and it's been a little bit harder of a day today. So I wanted to vlog this because just to kind of show that, like, although lots of people on the internet, myself included, that you watch on TikTok and YouTube and stuff, they look like their lives are so glamorous and put together all the time. And I just wanted to be real for a second and tell you that it is absolutely not. A lot of it is very staged and put together to be cute, and I love doing that stuff. So I'm gonna try to pull myself together and clean my room so maybe I'll feel a little bit better, and then I'm gonna make some lunch so that will make me feel better as well. And just try to get a little bit more organized. So just wanted to come on here and have like a real moment with you guys about my day. So for lunch today, you could totally meal prep this because just making what I made, I was able to make a whole nother meal for me with it. So when I am able to come home for lunch, I do like to kind of make myself something a little bit better than just a salad, but sometimes I still have a salad too. But today I had some tilapia that I actually just found at the store. It was pre-seasoned tilapia and it was really good, and I was able to cut it in half, and I put a bag of the seeds of change rice, and then I split that in half and kind of made myself like a little bowl. I put like this the broccoli salad that I got at Sprouts the other day. I kind of just like made myself a little bowl, and then I was able to make another one. So that was fabulous. I actually made this sauce as well the other night, honey sauce, which was really good. I just kind of sprinkled a little bit on top, so that was really good for lunch. Guys, just as I start to sit down to edit this vlog, thinking I'm kind of like on the downward like slope of today's vlog, like probably gonna close it out pretty soon because the vlog is currently 16 minutes long. I get a call from Coulter, and so I didn't go to genetics today in person because I kind of just wanted to do it on Zoom and stay here. I took like a nice shower. I don't know, I've been super anxious today, so kind of wanted to just stay home. But then got a call from Coulter and his roommate saying that his roommate has COVID. So he's actually going to come stay here for a couple days since his roommate has COVID. So that's gonna be fun. He's here. Brings his whole gaming console thingy. Brings food, the whole 9 yards, babe. He even came and made dinner. Are you ready to swab our noses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure we're not having the bit.
Let's do it. Yum. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
In complete disarray.